From what begins as a trickle of water between Lubbock, Abilene, and Wichita Falls, the Brazos River flows hundreds and hundreds of miles right through the center and the heart of Texas, through Waco, College Station, finally here, ending up just outside of Lake Jackson and Freeport, Texas. Many of the world's major petrochemical plants are located right here because of the easy access the Brazos River allows to the interior cities, bringing in oil from all over the world here for refinement. Rivers like these carry countless tons of sediment that's being eroded off the interior of the center of Texas. That sediment is brought all the way down until it meets the Gulf of Mexico here, just behind me. And all that sediment would just pile up, but the Corps of Engineers has actually built large granite jetties, which are these very long rocky peninsulas that stick out into the ocean, sometimes thousands of feet. And what that does is it helps drive the currents going up and down the shoreline, coming out of the river in such a way where it helps to keep that channel clear of sediment. All of the waves kind of help keep that clean. Otherwise, these major tankers and cargo ships couldn't get in and out of the Brazos River and the channel here in Freeport up to places further north. On a day like today, this really shows you the protective power of the jetties. If you look on my right, you'll see an extremely active ocean. This is connected to the open ocean. All these waves are coming and funneling into the beach. But on my left, you look at the water, it's like a lake, it's like a pond. It's relatively quiet, very few, if any, large waves. And that is that protective space provided within the river by these granite jetties that provides ships protection as they enter the Gulf of Mexico. Each one of these giant granite boulders that is made up of this levee is created of many, many interlocking crystals of minerals that essentially were magma at one point. You see a lot of giant pink rounded crystals, big large crystals of what's called microcline feldspar. It's a pink feldspar. And feldspars are the most common mineral group in the Earth's crust, at any rate. And a lot of the dark colored stuff in between are little bits of things called mica minerals, especially biotite mica. And the clear minerals that we see around the feldspars are quartz, which have a Mohs hardness of 7, which is very hard. And the combination of the hard feldspar and quartz makes this a very rough, rigid, resilient rock. And that's why it's here. Its resistance to erosion is very, very high.